What is up everybody, welcome back again to my channel Learnium, where we learn and discuss with a lot of fun. So today in this video we are going to learn about magnification, right? And we're gonna find that how magnification is equals to h dash by h, and that is equals to minus v by u in the lens and v by u simply in the mirror, right? So that's what we are going to find, but we are going to do that in a very interesting way, right? So that's it. Now keep watching the video to get all this information. Let's begin. Okay, so let's say that we have one object here which is 2 cm in height. Now we got the image of this object as 4 cm, right? So this is our object, this is our image. Now here what you can see, right? Image is magnified. Image is larger than the object. So how we can find the magnification? Right, it's gonna be very simple logic, right? We can just simply write down the image height by the object height, or h dash by h. So this will give us, yes, 4 by 2, which is 2. So what does this mean? It means that our image is 2 times larger than the object. So that simply is magnification, and that makes a lot of sense, right? So this is very clear that magnification is equals to h dash by h, but we wanted to find out that how this is equals to v by u, how the distance of the image and object is related to here. That is what we are going to find. So in order to understand that, you need to understand what is AA similarity. So AA similarity is a simple topic which you will get to learn in the upcoming chapter of mathematics of class 10th only, right? So that's what we are going to discuss in brief here. Now let's say that we have two triangles here, right? So in these triangles, those two angles, let's say, are 90 degrees and those angles are 60 degrees. So it means that two corresponding angles are equal here. So when we get this case, right, we have two angles similar, AA similarity, angle similarity here. So in this case, the ratios of all the corresponding side is also going to be equal. Hey, didn't understood anything? Well, let me explain you with very simple example. So let's say again we have two triangles here, and again two angles are also equal. The hypotenuse of this is 5 and this is 10, right? So here what you can see, the ratios of first corresponding side is, yes, 5:10, or we can also cut this down. So this is 1:2, right? The ratios of first corresponding side is 1:2. Now this ratio would be followed by other two corresponding sides also. It means that if the base is of this triangle is 2, then here it's going to be 4. If the perpendicular is 3, then this is going to be 6, right? So here you can see that the ratios of all the corresponding side is same. So in this case it is 1:2. So it means that, yes, hypotenuse 1 by hypotenuse 2, this is equals to base 1 by base 2, and this is equals to perpendicular 1 by perpendicular 2. So that was simply AA similarity, right? So that was AA similarity, and that's what I wanted to understand. Now, okay, so let's say that we have one convex lens here, and let's put our object beyond the 2f, right, beyond C. So now where our image is going to get formed? Yes, between f and 2f on the other side of the mirror. So you can just simply draw out our ray diagram here, right? So you can just simply draw it. Now what we have to do? So can you see two triangles here, two special triangles here, right? And here they are, right? And is there something special about those triangles? And it turns out that there is. So first of all, see those two angles. Both those angles are 90 degrees and those two angles are vertically opposite angle. It means that they are equal, right? So here what we can see, that two corresponding angles are same. It means that we have AA similarity here, right? Angle similarity. So if you were to take out this, it means that the ratios of the corresponding sides is going to be same, right? So what are the sides here? Well, again let's go back to our ray diagram, and first let's mark out the sides here. So that is our image distance, that is the object distance, and that is the object height, and that is the image height. But we need to be a little bit of careful about putting the signs, right? So our object distance is minus u. Why? Because it is on the left side. And similarly, our image height is also negative. Why? because it is inverted, it is going down, and we know that down is also negative, right? So that's what we can see here, that the object distance and the image height both are negative, and the image distance and the object height is positive. Don't get confused here, it is very simple. So now let's take the triangles out here. So now the ratios of these sides is going to be same, right? So we have, let's say we have h dash by h, by the way, minus h dash by h, right? So this is going to be equal to, yes, other corresponding side. So this would be equals to minus v by u. And now we don't need to go ahead anymore because here we got our answer, right? So minus h dash by h is equal to minus v by u, and those two minus signs can get cancelled out here. So here we simply have this magnification formula, right? So this magnification formula is for the lenses, like concave lens and convex lens. So here you can see that m is equals to h dash by h, and this is equals to v by u. And so this was for the lens, and you can also try this out for the mirror also. So you can again draw the ray diagram, and then you can again draw out the triangles, and you can do the same process there also. And there, if you will put the signs correctly, you will get the answer as minus v by u, right? So that's what it is. So here we have found our answer very simply and very easily. So that's it. I hope that you understood this, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and please do subscribe to my channel for such more informative videos. Thank you very much for watching.